I'm not sure how to feel about those wheels, but I like the rest of the car.
Yeah, those
They're interesting to say the least.
look like original wheels.
Oh yeah, they might be actually.
You know, they like the crater rims. I mean, they're ugly, but functional. You know,
Yeah.
ugly, but they're functional.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much the sensibilities of back then.
Yeah.
But old man, I had that crater rims. I mean, you polish them up good. They look nice. That's right there.
Yeah. They look good on these.
You polish them up, they look good.
Say Chevy Deluxe. And another old station wagon. What does this say? This just says two-door wagon.
You got too high? I'm gonna assume you find a vendor, get something to drink. It says she thirsty.
All right. This thing just says two-door wagon. They didn't even get the name for that. They just called it a two-door wagon. I would love to have one of those. No, one of those Buicks, the GNXs.
Oh yeah.
I would love to have one of them. Yeah. What about Family Dom? What about Family Dom?
Oh.
There's for people who like birthday meat.
Wait, is that thing a dually? Oh, it's a dually. I think it's actually a dually with side exhaust. Jesus. That's sick. Okay, hold it. Hold up. This is a Bel Air.
That right there.
What, this Bronco? It ain't too high. It's just right.
Back to that one.
The Kona ice truck. I remember I used to love that thing whenever I came to that school back when I was in elementary. Yeah, the Kona ice truck.
Last night during the trunk or treat, did everybody enjoy the trunk or treat? We had a wonderful crowd. Also for the specialty award,
A McLaren. Jeez. All right, boys. Had to stop to get fueled up real quick, but we back at it. They are causing a ruckus over there, whatever they're doing. Whew. Everybody wait till I start back recording to cause a ruckus, man. They going ham. They got basically identical road runners here.
Somebody's going to end up staying here for a long time. We found some remote lock and start fob over here. If you're missing a remote lock and start fob, it'll be up here finally already. You'll have to try it. You need it.
I'll say.
All right. You don't want to stay all night.
That's Snoop Dogg driving that thing? Who is that? Whatever it is, it looks awesome. Wait, Plymouth made a truck? I didn't even know that Plymouth made a truck.
It was a good day for sure.
Yeah.
Apparently this thing's part of the car show. Don't look that bad, actually. Oh my God, what is that? It's all about family, Dom. It's all about family. Oh, that's a sick engine. That is a really sick engine. Jeez, who was that screaming? Sound like Fred Stanford. Everybody rolling out. Say 1920 Pierce Arrow, model 125. That for? this is a seat. Oh wait, this thing belong to y'all?
It does.
Oh, nice, nice. Dude, this is it's supposed to be a back seat back here.
It's called a rumbler seat, so it pops up like that. So that's where somebody sits in the back. It's what they did back then.
Oh wow, that's crazy. This one belong to y'all too?
Yeah.
Nice.
The 53 Mercury.
Nice. Ooh. Man, this thing stalled out or something? Why you towing it? Oh, I got you. Nice car though. So this thing got a bad oil leak and that's why it's not running right now, but dang, it is clean. Got all they stuff on it. I think literally looks like a NASCAR. Dude, it's that McLaren thing. Dude. Oh, dude. I wish I knew what model of McLaren that was. That thing is sick. Oh, it just aired down. Oh, I barely missed it on camera because people are here. Oh, they just aired down. That was sick though. Oh, this Mustang pulling out too. Woo. That's an interesting. All right, guys, this is right across the street from the Plymouth Superburst that I just got done looking at. It's a Ford Mustang. Oh my, dude. Someone is just getting as rowdy as they want to be, like less than a quarter mile away from the road from me, and I can hear their, dude, that dually's pulling out. That dually's pulling out. Yo, that dually's what had the air horn from earlier. I was wondering who that was. Look at this thing. Dude, everybody's leaving. I can't even get no footage of nobody because they're all leaving. Jesus. Bro, there's a big truck out here finna roll out, I'm pretty sure. This big lifted thing. They pulling out? I don't know. They look like they were moving a second ago. They may have been pulling in and just now parking up. I don't know. But god dang, man. Dude, they keep pulling out like this. I ain't even gonna have nothing to make content on. It's only gonna be a 2-part special. I already done made one part, 20-minute long. I'm trying to go ahead and do this section right here to make another 20-minute long section. I got side pipes. Get side pipes. There we go. Somebody's car won't start.
We were at like 120. He said, I was just all the way to the floor, like, oh, fuck it.
Flat out. Let him do his thing.
I mean, I can get to 140, but he's already 140, that's why I haven't thought about going.
Fastest I've had my first
140.
on our way home. We had this one person kept messing with us the whole way home. Yeah, this Ultima bumper falling off.
That's a girl. It was a girl.
Dude, everything is leaving. The big lifted truck I was talking about earlier is leaving. Dude, everything. Bro, I'm not even going to have anything to make content on. Please tell me I can get to the VW bus before the thing pulls off. I don't think anybody's in it yet. Dude, everything is leaving. Bolos. Dude, everything's leaving. I'm not gonna have anything to make content on. This is crazy. Okay, this dude's just not pulling up. There's a lot of stuff out here I gotta look at. Like, look at how far back that goes. Look at how far back it goes. That is insane. That is actual insanity. I've never... And then there's some stuff farther down this way too. Still haven't been in this parking lot over here yet. This is that parking lot where the McLaren was. I got a lot to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get this last couple of stuff so I can get this last 20-minute section in. So we got a Bel Air here with the replica on the hood. And then this guy. This thing is really nice. I'm sorry that I'm not talking a lot as much as I used to. It's just like there's a lot more people here and I'm not trying to make a scene of myself to some degree, if you know what I mean. But this is absolutely sick as heck. Like, look at that thing. I mean, it could be a little better in terms of like body work, but bro, that thing would have been cool to see. No, the bus is leaving. Dang it, I want to see the VW bus before it left. Dang it, I want to see the Volkswagen bus before it left. That sucks. Dang it. Oh well. Bye, Fillmore.